Hi guys. So guys, finally we have a sponsor. Guys, today's sponsor for this video is Teddy Blake's, as you all can see. So Teddy Blake is a luxury brand, guys. A very like unique, okay, luxury brand. And they reached out to me. When I saw the mail, I was so excited. I was shocked at first because I mean although it's not the first time I've gotten offers to work with brands, but back then I was in Nigeria, so like some of them it was a little bit taxing, I guess. But right now I'm in Canada, and yeah, delivery, everything is so easy. Okay, so today sponsor for this video is Teddy Blaze, guys. So we are going to be doing an unboxing, okay? And while I'm unboxing this, I will tell you guys more about Teddy Blake New York, okay? So let's get right into this. I'm so excited, I can't wait to see this bag. So first off, it comes with this white box. Okay, it came in a bigger box though. um yeah, so let's unbox this. I also said I was going to tell you guys about Teddy Blake, so I'm just gonna go ahead and like tell you guys about this brand, this luxury brand. So yeah, like you all know, I said it before and countless times, Teddy Blake is a luxury brand. Okay, it is characterized by high quality construction with 100% Italian leather and attention to detail. Okay, it has good imaginative design, shape, and durability. Okay, so Teddy Blake creates handbag designs, okay, for every style of your choice. Okay, and Teddy Blake releases new collections every month, like every month. So this right here is the Teddy Blake Stampato 15 in black and red. Okay, I know you guys are not seeing the red, but don't worry, I'm gonna show you why it's called the Stampato 15 black and red. Okay, this bag is gorgeous, like gorgeous. Like I said, this is premium leather, like pure Italian leather, guys. Like, so I have the details of every information you like to know, okay, about this bag and about the luxury brand. And with the Valentine coming up, guys, I know for my girlies, and for some guys here too that want to spoil their babes, okay? Hey, God. Valentine is coming up, guys, and yeah, it's on the 14th of February. You can enjoy a luxury Valentine with discount up to 70% off by clicking the link in my description box and also use my code. So everything is down in my description box. Just go there, okay? Spoil yourself. Like, you have a lot to choose from Teddy Blake website. Okay, you can see this bag comes with strap. Okay, this is premium leather, guys, like premium leather. Okay, and I'm going to show you guys the best part of this bag, like why I really chose this bag and why I love this bag. Let me show you guys the best part. Are you ready? So this is the best part. Can you see the interior of this bag? Like, can you just take a look? Let me come close. Like, yeah, this is it. Can you see the sharp red? Like, the red is so beautiful. Like, everything, the detailing, everything is on point, guys. I love this bag so much. This bag is going to be very good for work. Okay, I can fit in anything here, guys. Like, I can fit in my laptop. Yeah, I said so. I can fit in my laptop. I can fit in my notepads. I can fit in anything I want to fit in here, okay? Because it's actually spacious. There's enough room, okay? So yeah, and I love this lock it came with, and everything. Okay, I just fixed in the strap right now off camera, and just take a very good look at this. It looks amazing. Like, I'm so much in love with this bag right now. Like, guys, I just want to show you guys how it can fit in my laptop, guys. So here you go. As you can see, it fits in very smoothly. Okay, so guys, please hurry, like, run down to Teddy Blake website. Okay, don't just walk, you have to run, babes, because it's gonna be sold out. Run, 70% off, baby. Move.